Hi everyone, I'm Allie with PotomacBeads, and I want to share some amazing new news for you. We are introducing and happy to carry new colors of DragonThread. So if you haven't tried out DragonThread yet, we have it in sizes 5, 6, and 8. And these different sizes of DragonThreads are amazing thermally bonded thread that you can use in all your bead weaving projects. I actually have a regular strung necklace here that I did on it as well. It is strong, it is durable, and it comes in some amazing colors, and we just added more. So DragonThread again comes in sizes 5, size 6, and size 8. If you're looking to compare with other brands, a size 6 is going to be comparable to about a Wildfire 8, I would say, or a Fireline 8. And when it comes to the colors, we have your traditional crystal or clear that's used a lot because it blends really nicely. Also have that smoky black color that you can check out and use. And again, with the thermally bonded thread, what that means is that it's heated a tiny bit. It has a great outer coating on it. And every time I'm using it, I'm generally picking up my thread zap or my thread burner, burning down the thread and using it for my project. In addition to that, the next color we came out with was green. This green is a beautiful olive green. It blends a ton and matches with almost every bead. It's kind of remarkable how great the green matches with different colors and coatings. Following that, we came out with our gray color. The gray is a nice in-between color that matches with a lot of the natural tones that you may find, whether or not it's some of the matted beads or even the Picasso style. This gray is going to match really, really well. We're super excited to introduce you to 2 new colors as well in that black, gray, white, and green family. We've been working on for a while 2 new colors. This one here is the golden tan color, and then we also have this beautiful blue color. Some of the other brands have a bright blue. This is more like a slate blue. It's going to be a great contrast to the green and match really well with all of your blues and surprisingly purple beads as well too. It's that soft green, or that soft blue rather, and going to blend really, really nicely with those tones. And then sometimes when you're using gold beads, or if you use a lot of lined beads, you are going to be able to see the thread a little bit. This is where this golden tan came into play. It looks really bright when you're looking at it individually, and then when you pull it apart here, you can see it almost is that fleshy color. I just used it in a video coming up here. You can see it is almost unviewable completely in the projects because of that gold color going in that silver lined bead. This gold tan is going to go wonderfully in those silver lined collections, especially something like fringe where you have a little bit of thread showing often at the ends. So we are working really hard to get to you more colors, more varieties in sizes as well, so that way they blend into your projects. Whether or not you're using a 5, a 6, or an 8, we hope that you pick DragonThread as your thread to use in all of your bead weaving projects. We have loved this thread, really helped to develop this thread, and are super excited to bring you all of these colors now available at PotomacBeads.com. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this little thread edition. So happy to have the yellow and the blue on board with all of the other great colors. I'm excited to see your feedback, so make sure to comment below and let us know what colors you would like to see next. And hopefully you get your hands on some blue and some green to try them out. I think you will absolutely love them. As always, if you want to check out the new thread, go ahead and look below the video and we'll put links there to get to our site. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new tutorials or new product information from us here at PotomacBeads. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more inspirational designs using our dragon thread.